Hey class. So I want to help you through a couple homework problems. You have 20 problems, although when I was looking through them, it looked like one of them was suspiciously similar to another one. So odds are you really only have 19 homework problems. I'm actually going to start at number 17. I'm going to go about this in a bit of an unconventional order. I'm going to do 17, then 18, then 9, 6, 4, 1, and I will end on number 16. So I'm kind of going all over the place, and I hope you forgive me for that. But number 17, we are asked to write the formula. They give us a sequence here. It goes 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. The first thing we needed to do is identify how it is growing. Is it growing by multiplying, or is it growing by adding or subtracting? Because subtracting is really just adding negatives. So 1 to 2, I could have been adding 1. 2 to 4, now it would be adding 2. It's not an addition pattern that's consistent. So let's try multiplying. To get from 1 to 2, we'd have to times by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. We have our pattern. We're continually multiplying by 2. So that's what my common ratio is. Since I'm repetitively multiplying by 2, I'm going to have a formula that involves raising 2 to the nth power, or x. It depends on what you're dealing with. But when it says formula in your homeworks, it's kind of looking for the n's. If it says function, it's looking for the x's. I won't be too picky about it, though. So to get to any term in the sequence, we need to take 2 and raise it to the power of n. All that's left to do is figure out what my first term of the sequence is. I want my first term of the sequence to be a 1. Oh, that was poor underlining. Anyway, there was a 1 right there. So that's my first term of the sequence. But if I replace these n's with a 1, which is what I would do if I'm looking for the first term of the sequence, I'm going to get 1 times 2 to the first power, which is 2, not 1. So I have to minus 1 off this exponent so that when n is 1, I get 1 times 2 to the 0 power, which is 1. And when n is 2, I get 1 times 2 to the 2 minus 1, or to the first power. That'll give me the result of 2 that I'm looking for. Whenever you write a formula, you should always test it with values that are known.